Hello scientists, and welcome to Spreadsheet Basics Part 2, Formulas and Functions. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to tell a spreadsheet to calculate an average of a set of data that you enter into the spreadsheet. And as you can see right here, our student test score data table is now partially complete. We've got the test scores entered for each student in columns B, C, and D, but the average column is still blank. We need to use what's called a formula to instruct the spreadsheet to take the numbers in each row and find an average. And a formula is just simply an instruction that you use to program the spreadsheet that tells it to do something specific with the data you've entered. And what we want it to do is to find the average. Now, we want that average to end up in column E3. So we're going to start by clicking on E3. Okay? Now, all formulas in spreadsheets start with an equal sign. So I'm going to type an equal sign right there. Okay? That is a signal to the spreadsheet that whatever comes after this equal sign is an instruction to tell the spreadsheet what number or value it's going to put in cell E3. All right? Now, an average is that all those three numbers added up divided by 3. We could write a formula that tells the spreadsheet to add up those numbers and divide them by 3, but we're going to use what's called a function, which is kind of a shortcut. A function is something you can put into a formula that gives it a specific instruction, like calculate an average, that makes writing formulas simpler for you. And for average, to get the average function in there, you simply type the word average, okay? And then you type a parentheses. The parentheses is a signal that after the parentheses, you're going to put in what you want it to average. And we want it to average the numbers in cells B3, C3, and D3. So we're going to start with the first cell, and we're going to type in B3. Okay? Then we're going to use a colon to signal to the spreadsheet that it's going to average the numbers starting at B3 and ending at whatever cell address we put after that. Okay? So starting at B3, and in this case going through C3 and including D3. So if I type in D3 and I close my parentheses, my formula is complete. What this formula says is it says find the average of the cells B3 through D3. And if I hit enter, there's my average. Now the beauty of doing it this way is that let's say Zamar comes in and redoes his first test and he gets a 3 on it. Once I put his new test score in, the formula is still there. So it still calculates the average, but now it uses the new value for test 1. All right? Pretty simple, right?